Now students, we will do question 3rd of exercise 8.2. ABCD is a rectangle. PQ, R and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. So we will join all these lines and we will get a quadrilateral PQRS, and we have to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. तो हमें प्रूव क्या करना है बेटा? PQRS is a rhombus. So move to the solution. Firstly we will prove it a parallelogram. तो हम इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करने के लिए क्या करेंगे बेटा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ इट्स डायगोनल AC. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन यूज midpoint theorem in the triangle ABC and in triangle ADC. In triangle ABC and ADC, we will use the midpoint theorem. So you can write here in triangle ADC, S is the midpoint of AD, R is the midpoint of DC. So by midpoint theorem, we will write here SR parallel to AC, and SR will be equal to half of AC. In this way, in another one triangle, in triangle ABC, we will use the same result for the points P and Q. So we will give it equation number 1 and now move to the next triangle. In triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC. Again, by midpoint theorem, what we are getting? PQ is parallel to AC and PQ equals to half of AC. We will write this result and we will give it to equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we will get PQ parallels to SR and PQ equals to SR. So what we are getting from here, one pair of sides is parallel and equal. So this quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. So this implies quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram because we have got one pair of sides is parallel and equal. Now our next work is we will prove its adjacent sides are equal. अगर हमारे पास पैरेललोग्राम की एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल आ जाती हैं बेटा, देन इट विल बी ए रोम्बस. तो पैरेललोग्राम हम प्रूव कर चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट जो रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट इज़ हम एडजेसेंट साइड को इक्वल प्रूव कर दें सो दैट वी कैन गेट ऑल द फोर साइड्स विल बी इक्वल. सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. वी विल प्रूव इट्स एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल. So proving the adjacent sides equal, first of all we will see AD is equal to BC because these are the opposite sides of a rectangle. Now half of these will also be equal. Take half both sides. Half of AD is equal to half of BC. So S is the midpoint of AD, so it will come AS, and from that side BQ will be the half of BC. So students, you are getting AC equals to BQ. Now take two triangles, triangle SAP and QBP. From here write the equal things. AS equals to BQ from above part which we have proved. Then next thing, angle A equals to angle B equals to 90 degree because this ABCD is a rectangle. AP equals to BP as P is midpoint. This is given. So both the triangles will be congruent by SAS means side angle side rules. So you can write here triangle SAP congruent to triangle QBP by SAS rule. Now you can see SP equals to रहेगा आपके पास PQ CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If SP equals to PQ, that means all four sides will be equal क्योंकि PQ किसके equal है? SR के और SP RQ के. So this implies all sides are equal. So it will convert into a rhombus. हमने पैरेललोग्राम इसको पहले से प्रूव किया था, और अगर किसी पैरेललोग्राम की फोर साइड्स इक्वल प्रूव हो जाती हैं then it will be a rhombus. So students, from here you can write that this implies, you can give it equation number 4 where you have written this is a parallelogram and SP equals to PQ. Give it equation number 5 and now write down from equation 4 and 5 PQRS is a rhombus. Hence